Hello besties, welcome back to Down for Glam. My name is Gigi and we have a form on Dolly. I'm just finishing putting it on her, getting it all closed up. And as you can see, we do have one nail on her, and it is my attempt at another rose quartz nail, because I do struggle with that look, but I feel like this one is maybe my closest one yet. So I thought I'd show you how I did it. And what we're going to start with is just some clear pink builder gel. This is by Yayoge, but this video is not sponsored by anyone. We're just playing with their product. I bought this with my own money, specifically to work on Dolly. That way, that's the thing about Yayoge, it is so inexpensive, so it's perfect for practice. And what I'm doing is just building out a very, very thin shelf for us to work on. I know shelf's not the right word, but that's what I think of when I'm doing this, is that I'm just creating a little shelf. And we are doing long coffin nails or ballerina nails, whatever you like to call them. I have my thoughts on some of the shaping names and how crazy things are getting, but that's for another video. Okay, now that that is cured, what we're going to do is take some cover pink. And as we know from our first use of these builder gels, the cover pink is not strong enough to build a nail on its own with, but it's perfect for what we're about to do now, which is just give ourselves a very thin, milky sort of layer of this. And it's okay if it's a little see-through, because we are going to layer this look. All right, once you have that down, the next thing we're going to do is take a striper brush, and this is again a Yayoge product. And again, this is not sponsored. I bought this with my own money. And we're just going to run this through here any old way that we like. Now, one thing, if you do go back for a second dip of the white, make sure you wipe your brush off first so you don't get any builder gel in your white. All right, now what I'm gonna do, and you can use a dotting tool for this or maybe a tiny brush, but I have this little tiny tool, and so I'm just gonna use it to spread this out a little and move it around. And you can be as heavy-handed or as gentle as you like. Not too heavy-handed like I was right there, because you make holes. And you can always add more. Sometimes just a little dotting is all it takes. Okay, now I'm also going to just take a tiny brush and wet it in a little alcohol, just enough to be able to pick up a few flakes of these pink mylars, but you can see that they shift and have many color variations. So that's going to show through really nicely, as you can see, it does. All right, I'm gonna pop that in the lamp. And now we're gonna repeat that step and make another layer of the pink and white swirly, marbly action. We're just gonna pull this down. You really don't want to make it thick, because if you do, you will not see the dimension through to the other layer. You really want to make sure that you can see that. All right, and we're going to repeat the same thing with the white. But you don't want to follow the same lines. You definitely want to come in different directions. So we're going to come like this. And come like that. And how about we meet this one right here. And then we'll play around. I really like that. Let's go ahead and add a couple mylar pieces. Okay, now the thing about this marble nail is that pretty much the look we have right now, that is the look we're going to have, because we are going to cap this in the pink clear. And so what we file will pretty much just be that, because this is still, as you can see, an extremely thin nail. There is no strength here. So we're going to add a lot of pink on top to really strengthen this nail. I'm going to pop this in the lamp. Okay, now I'm just going to make a little slip layer with the pink, and then we're going to build up the strength. Okay, now we're just going to take off this form. I'm actually pretty happy with that. We're going to go ahead and file this up, and we'll come right back for top coat. All right, we are all filed up, and it's time to reveal what we have done with a little top coat. Let's see how it came out. Oh, wow, you guys. I'm 100% about this. This came out so pretty. I'm just going to smooth a little bit more down that nail. Oh, yeah, this is lovely. I really like this technique. I think it looks really rose quartzy and marbly. I think it's very pretty. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, and be sure to tag me if you try this technique. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye, guys.